Hi children, this is your Kalpana teacher. Children, have you heard the word acid rain? Do you know what are acid rains? Today we will learn about acid rains and effects of acid rains in this video. Daily we observe so many vehicles. These vehicles releases so much smoke, is it right? And so many industries also releases so many gases. In the smoke, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and carbon dioxide gases are present. These gases when emitted into atmosphere, it transported by wind and air. They will react with water or oxygen and other chemicals and forms acids. These acids mix with rain, they will fall to the ground. These are called acid rains. Once see this video children, observe acid rains animated video. So understand children, acid rains means the gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide mix with water molecules in the atmosphere and forms as acid rains and it falls on the earth. So what happens if acid rains falls on the earth? What are its effects on earth? Now we will observe. It affects on monuments. Acid rains reacts with marble and it causes damage to the color and structure of the monuments. See children, Taj Mahal also gets damaged due to this acid rains. Acid rains affects on land also. When acid rains falls on the earth, acid sinks into the soil, so the soil gets polluted. These polluted lands, plants and trees does not grow properly. So we don't get crops if acid rains are increases like this children. Acid rains effects on aquatic life. Acid rain causes death to so many living organisms in seas, rivers and lakes. Acid rains effects to human life also children. Sulfur dioxide which is present in acid rains will cause lung diseases and also we get so many skin diseases with these acid rains. Now understand about acid rains children. Children, collect some more information about acid rains and its effects as your project work. Children, observe this page. Here one activity is there. You do this activity at your home. You take a small bowl and in that bowl you take lemon juice. You collect some marble pieces or eggshell powder. You add marble pieces or eggshell powder to the lemon juice. Both react together and it produce one gas. You take burning matchstick and put the burning matchstick into that gas. The fire extinguishes. The flame extinguisher. The carbon dioxide always helps to fire extinguisher. So that gas is called carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, if you take in the lime water, it changes as milky white. Always carbon dioxide turns milky white with lime water. This is the indication of carbon dioxide. Thank you children. In the next video we will learn about neutralization reaction and salts and fertilizers.